Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna build a text to speech converter in MIT App Inventor. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So first we need to go to the website, that is just search MIT App Inventor. Click on the first link here. You need to log in with your Gmail account or Google account. Click on create apps. So we have already logged in. Click on start new project. We'll name this text to speech. No. Text to speech. Sorry for my dog. I forgot. We need to have underscore here and here. Seriously? So text to speech. Okay. Now it comes out here. Click on it. A new page will open right here. So first, take a button, put it down. Next, you need this text box. Drag it here. Sorry, drag it here. Let's give a hint here. You can give the hint on this side, right here. Hint. Change this to enter text. Now click on the button. Text for button one. Button one. Button one. Scroll down and let's name this button speak. You can keep any designing the screen, whatever. This is just an example. Rename the screen to text to speech. Right here, text to speech. Now go to the media, drag and drop text to speech, and we are done for the designing. We go to the blocks, click on the button, drag and drop the when button one click, do, click on the text to speech and drag call text to speech one speech message, speak message, drag and drop it in here. Click on the text box, text, and then scroll and search for the setter block, and any setter block that says set. No, sorry, not setter block, I mean getter block. This kind of getter blocks. Take this, attach it here. It doesn't matter what. Click on the background, convert it to text, and we are done. Now for the testing, click on the build and on the first section that is provide QR code for APK. Click on it. It will generate a barcode here. Uh, in order to access this, you need your smartphone, your Android smartphone, which should be Android 7 Plus. So to the phone we go. Now we are in the phone. You need to search AI, no, MIT AI to companion app. I've already downloaded it. I need to update it. Update, click on update. Sorry for that. So open this app. Don't care about that, and you need to scan it. So click on the scan QR code. It should scan. Now it will download automatically text to speech. Okay, it started downloading. I'll meet you after the download. Now we have completed downloading it. Click on install. By the way, you can keep your icon here. Open and just type.
Please subscribe.
As you can hear it,
Please subscribe.
do that.
And like also.
So that's it for now. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.